Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are frequently getting the iPhone may not be too close alert and it's becoming a bit annoying, here is a quick and easy guide to turn it off. Let's get started. Step 1 is to open the setting app. Unlock your iPhone and find the setting app. It looks like a grey gear icon. Next, go to Face ID and passcode. Scroll down and tap on Face ID and passcode. You might be asked to enter your passcode to proceed. Next, toggle off Attention Aware feature. In the Face ID and passcode setting, find the Attention Aware feature option. Toggle the switch off. This will disable the iPhone may be too close alert and other Attention Aware feature. And that's it guys, you successfully turned off iPhone may be too close alert. Now you can use your iPhone without being bothered by this notification. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, comment and subscribe for more, and I will see you in our next video. Bye bye.